a stain on your shirt or it didn't happen. So we're gonna cut these bad boys in half, see how they stay together. Awesome. Welcome to Fully Cooked. Fully
Cooked!
Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to make a pepperoni pizza hot pocket at home. So you can make it gluten-free, you can make it sugar-free, you can make it whatever you want. So right now I have pizza sauce. This is the Walmart brand, and this is the one that I have found no sugar added. It's the only one that I have found to be no sugar added. So I'm going to spread it out just a little bit all over this. Okay, I have some hard salami that I got from Aldi's. You can put pepperoni, any kind of meat, ham, whatever, ham and cheese. So this was in the fridge. It's a little fatty in the fridge. I'm gonna go ahead and just make a strip of this all the way down. Maybe put some in the middle. It's gonna be very pepperoni-ish. Okay, now I'm going to get my mozzarella cheese and put 1 or 2 scoops, however much I feel. Yeah, just 1 handful. That's good enough. All right, and now I'm going to roll it. And to roll it is pretty easy. You're gonna think of like an H. So I'm going to just fold over the sides and then roll it. And that's all I'm going to do. And then to cook it, I'm going to put it right here in the oven. I don't even have a pan because my husband used the pan and then he burnt some plastic on there. So I'm going to put it right in the oven. Right there. Use a pan if you got one. I don't have one. I'm going to put it on for 10 minutes. I'm going to let it cook and then I'll show you what it looks like. I'm going to make 2. Trying to unroll. Oh no. Okay. Basically just putting it in there so the cheese will melt it and stick it together, and it's gonna brown, so it's gonna harden a little bit, and it'll, you know, melt out that fat that's in that stuff, and then it'll all harden together. So when he takes it in the morning and then it has time to cool, you know, to room temperature at school, he's gonna really love it. It's gonna be perfect.
No kitty. Hi guys, fun fact. Mommy filmed this video a year ago at school. And she's editing it right now. She was rubbing her face on my legs when I was gonna water her, and I didn't water her yet.
So let's pack the rest of his lunch. I got these milks. He's gonna take a milk with him. I believe this is a vanilla, yeah, organic vanilla low-fat milk. And a squeezy, and this is just applesauce, I believe, or apple and something. So I'm gonna take these. And I have some little biscuits to give him as well. These little yums. And I like to open his packages for him. I want to give him some fresh fruit as well, so I think I'll put in some grapes, a few grapes. Actually, I'll give him a little hummus with some carrots. Where's the hummus at? I bought these containers. I believe they were 4 for $1 at the Dollar Tree, I believe. If not, they have them at Walmart for real cheap. I'm going to wait until this is done cooking. I put it in there in a toaster oven for 10 minutes, and that seems to get it a nice crispy togetherness. And I cut it in half and I put it right in here in this tray. I wait for it to cool off, and then I put this entire thing in the fridge until the morning. And then in the morning, I come over here and I get his little bag and I just put everything in there. And he's already got a hole in it. Isn't that sweet?
Here's a challenge for you. Can you spot all the differences from then till now? Leave a comment down below.
It'll tell you how much.
Swooshing and swooshing and swooshing.
And a crucial part of this recipe is making sure that you stain your shirt.
In case you didn't notice.
So stain on your shirt or it didn't happen. So we're gonna cut these bad boys in half, see how they stay together. Awesome. You can cut it in half like that to make your kid feel really special. And then you can look at it and it looks very delicious, because obviously it is.
That was kid speech for delicious?
So we got 2 for today and 2 for tomorrow.
Yay! Special. Special. Special.
Special.
Right?
What?
I do. What the hell are the crackers?
You want this, you mean? Here, just take the plate.
Here's another fun fact. I have never actually eaten a what pocket?
A Hot Pocket.
A Hot Pocket before. What's a Hot Pocket?
Right. He's never eaten a Hot Pocket before.
And I've never known about it. Hope you like this recipe.
Well, eat over your plate so no mess is made, right?
Yep. I wonder why Mommy called these bad boys.
Yeah.
Yeah, you did.
Okay, Sheldon.
Yeah.
Okay there.
Agile and Raphael.
I think it's Sheldon and who is she?
Abigail.
Gugulino. Yeah, that too.
My nickname for tomorrow was winter.
Tomorrow is winter and that's your nickname. Is that what you just said? Cool. Okay, kids, have fun. Enjoy.
Bye, bye, bye. Bye, bye.
Hi guys, I'm just editing this video and I've noticed that a lot of things changed since we filmed this video. If you can spot all the differences, leave them in a comment below and I will do a shout out for you. Also, I just wanted to say that this recipe is good for all the types of Hot Pockets that you can make. The cheddar broccoli I have actually made before, ham and cheese, the ham and Swiss, everything. Cheese pizza. I mean, literally everything that you can find in a Hot Pocket you can make exactly this way. And no, my kids have never had a Hot Pocket. I've had them maybe 5 times while video gaming, so I don't have a whole lot of flavors in mind, but I love the cheddar broccoli one and the pepperoni pizza. But meatballs you can make, that would be really good. Anything that you can put in there, put it in there. It will make a Hot Pocket. Maybe even a dessert Hot Pocket. I don't even know if they make those, but that sounds good too, like a churro or something. So anyway, please leave a comment if you like this recipe idea. I want to do more recipe videos on this channel. It does say Fully Cooked, but this is our home channel where we do cleaning, organizing, hauls, and reviews, things like that. So it's kind of like an all-encompassing channel. But hope you like this video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching. Check out our other videos and our other channels where we daily vlog every single day on Fully Living. Leave us a comment to let us know you were here. Have a great day.